Good evening, class. Okay, this is going to be a super short video. We are just going to talk about the shape of distributions for dot plots. We're going to be working on interpreting dot plots in class, but I need you to get just this page of notes down. So go ahead and pull out these notes and let's get started. So this dot plot here is skewed right or positively skewed. Okay, you will notice that almost all of our data is to the left. And so a few values are higher than the other values in the data set. The mean is more likely to be greater than the median. Okay, so this kind of messes up your data, so we call it skewed right or positively skewed. Now this one over here, we have a ton of data over here on the right side, and then we have a few points on the left side. This skews our data to the left. These couple dots right here change everything. So a few of our values are going to be lower than the other values of our data set. You see most of our data is right here. These few data points mess up our data set. This also means our mean is more likely to be smaller than our median because these numbers mess up the rest of our data. So skewed right, skewed left. These are terms you must know. This is also a new term. This is symmetrical. This is when our data is almost perfectly in line. If I drew a line down the middle, it looks very similar. So these are, the values are clustered near the center of the data. You see how we're getting like this triangle look? This is symmetrical. And the mean and median are close or the same. This is a uniform type data. The frequency values are the same or nearly the same. So you are seeing, because almost all of them have the same data points. The mean and median are also close or the same. Uniform shapes are also symmetrical. So uniform shapes, because of this, see, like I could draw the line, they look symmetrical, are also symmetrical. Okay, last thing we're going to do, when the shape of the data is symmetrical, where did I go? There we go. When the shape of the data is symmetrical, the mean is a better measure. When it's asymmetrical or skewed, the median is the better measure of center, and the interquartile range is the better measure of spread. Why does a dot plot make it simpler to determine the mode of the data? Well, because the tallest dot plot is the mode. It's super simple. When we're looking at it, you're just looking for like the one that has the most. And so this would be the mode. You're always looking for the tallest. Okay, you guys have a great night. I told you this was a super short one. I will